If HandBrake is giving you a decoding error, a fatal read error, or a blocked disk source, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the most common HandBrake decoding problems step by step. This is especially useful if your video won't open properly, your GPU is struggling to read the file, or you're getting errors from a DVD or Blu-ray source. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to check the log, identify the real cause, change the right settings, and get HandBrake working again. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Let's start with the most important part, identifying the decoding failure in the log. Open HandBrake and look in the top right corner for the activity log icon. It looks like a small notepad. Click that to open the log window. The log is where HandBrake tells you exactly what went wrong, and this is the fastest way to figure out whether the problem is your hardware, your file, or the disk source itself. Now press Ctrl and F to search the log. If you see a message like decode codec, fatal error, your hardware GPU failed to read a frame, that usually means hardware decoding is causing the issue. In that case, the fix is to turn off hardware accelerated decoding so HandBrake uses your CPU instead. If you see H264_decode_frame:read error and the log says the file is physically corrupted at that timestamp, then the source file itself may be damaged or incomplete. And if you see AV-Codec open 2 failed, that can mean HandBrake does not have the codec needed for that file. In that case, the best fix is to update HandBrake to the latest version, ideally 1.8 or newer, because newer versions include updated codecs and better compatibility. Now let's fix the hardware decoding problem first. Go up to Tools, then click Preferences. In the Preferences window, select the Video tab. Here you should see an option called Enable Hardware Accelerated Decoding. Uncheck that box. This is a very important step because it tells HandBrake to stop relying on your GPU for decoding and to use the CPU instead. That sounds simple, but it often solves playback and import issues instantly, especially with video files that are slightly damaged or oddly encoded. After unchecking that option, you need to restart HandBrake. This part matters because the worker process needs to reset before the change fully takes effect, so close HandBrake completely, then open it again. Once it reloads, try your file again. In many cases, this alone will fix the decoding problem and let HandBrake process the video normally. If your issue is a DVD or Blu-ray disc showing a blocked source, a decoding error, or the message "no valid source found," then the problem is usually copy protection or DRM interfering with the reader. In that case, go back to Tools, then Preferences, and open the Advanced section. Look for the box that says Disable libdvdnav. Use libdvdread instead and check it. Here's why that helps. libdvdnav tries to read the DVD menus and navigate the disk structure the normal way. But some protected disks use strange title structures or copy protection tricks that can break that process. When you switch to libdvdread instead, HandBrake ignores the menu navigation and reads the raw data blocks directly. That can bypass the decode loop and allow the disk to be read properly. So if you're working with a disk and HandBrake refuses to load it, this advanced setting is one of the first things you should try. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference with protected DVDs and Blu-rays. To quickly recap, if you have a file decoding error, first check the activity log and identify the exact message. If it mentions hardware decoding or a GPU frame read failure, disable hardware accelerated decoding in the video settings and restart HandBrake. If the log says the file is physically corrupted, the source file may need to be replaced or re-encoded. If AV-Codec_open 2 fails, update HandBrake to the latest version so you have the newest codec support. And if the problem is with a DVD or Blu-ray source, turn on Disable libdvdnav in the Advanced Preferences so HandBrake can read the disk more reliably. I hope this helped you fix your HandBrake decoding error. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.